In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert image in cell files over cells. If you work in Google Sheets and want your images to either live neatly inside a single cell or sit freely on top of your grid, this walkthrough will make the difference crystal clear and show you exactly where to click. First, let's place an image inside a cell. Start by selecting the exact cell where you want the image to live. Then go to the top menu, choose Insert, hover over Image, and pick Insert Image in Cell. You'll be prompted to choose your image. Once added, the picture is embedded directly into that specific cell. It fits within the cell's boundaries and stays anchored to that location in your data. This is ideal for things like product thumbnails, status icons, or any visual that needs to travel with your row when you sort or filter. If you later adjust the row height or column width, the image display adjusts with it, keeping everything tidy. Because it's truly part of the cell, it remains aligned with your data, which helps keep reports consistent and prevents layout surprises when your sheet changes. Now let's place an image over cells. Go to the top menu again, click Insert, hover over Image, and select Insert Image over Cells. This places the image on top of your sheet, not inside any particular cell. Think of it as a floating layer that you can position independently of the grid. It can span multiple cells, sit beside charts, or serve as a header element. This is great for logos, watermarks, diagrams, and callouts. Anything that shouldn't shift when you sort a table. Since it's not tied to a single cell, editing your data won't push it around. It also won't be clipped by cell edges, so it remains clearly visible regardless of how narrow your columns are. To recap, in-cell images live inside one cell and move with the data, which is perfect for structured, row-based visuals. Over-cells images float above the grid and stay put, which is ideal for branding and design elements. Both options are available from the same insert menu under Image, so the choice comes down to whether the picture should behave like data or like a layout element. That's all you need to confidently insert images in Google Sheets, exactly the way you want them to behave. Follow these steps and your visuals will look polished and stay consistent as your sheet evolves.